All right, here we go. For those of you that have been following me, you'll know that when I buy a piece of equipment, I want it to pay for itself. And new subscribers, welcome aboard. But I'm going to show you what I mean by that. I just bought a new excavator. It was quite expensive, but this is the loaner. I don't even have the new one yet. And this project I'm working on right now, the duck hunting impoundment, let me show you something. We ended up finding a whole bunch of brown gold. In other words, dirt. When I thought I was down to clay, we started skimming and we learned there was a lot more dirt left. So the long and the short of it is, dirt is very expensive out here. $2 to $2.50 a load. I eyeballed this, all the dirt that I have. That's probably 4 dump trucks right there. Check out this berm here, okay, all the way at the high end of the property. That goes even farther the other way. That pile over there is dirt, and then there's a giant stockpile over there. So anyways, I've got probably $3,000 worth of dirt sitting right here, which I actually need, because anything on a hillside is clay, this orange stuff right here. So we needed dirt for our lawn, the front lawn of the house, the back lawn of the house, anywhere around the whole pole barn, my food plots. Anything that's not in the woods like this is clay. And anything on hillsides, the matter runs off of the clay and it stays clay. So yesterday, for example, I was going to start moving clay like this, and there was still more dirt to be pulled up. I pulled up this pile. You could see the nice dark brown color as opposed to the orange of the clay. So anyways, I'll probably be peeling more dirt as I find pockets of it here, but probably got a minimum of $2,000 to $3,000 of dirt right here where I can use it. And I'm sure there's more to come. Stay tuned.